So Instagram has just suspended or disabled your account, and there may or may not be any reason, and you're just freaking out that why did this happen. So in this video, we'll see that how you can get your account unsuspended. If we go to the support page of Instagram, which is an article about the disabled Instagram accounts, it says, if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to ask us to review the decision by logging into Instagram and following the on-screen instructions. What does it actually mean? It means when your account gets suspended, on this screen, you may get an option to send an appeal. And if you get an option, you have to just tap on that option and follow the on-screen instructions to file an appeal and get your account unsuspended. Instagram team will contact you as soon as they see your appeal. But if this thing do not work, we have two more solutions, and the second solution is you have to create another Instagram account and go to the profile, tap on these three dots available at the top right. Next, you have to scroll through this page and scroll to the end. And here under more info and support, you get an option help and tap on report a problem. Report problem without shaking and don't include and continue. And when you are here on this page, here you can explain your issue like this. Hello, my name is Roger. Here you have to write your name. And my original Instagram account was disabled for literally no reason. I didn't violate any kind of Instagram policy. You can assure that by taking a look at my account's suspension case. And next you have to type in your username of the suspended account and just write a thanks and just send this report, and Instagram should take an action on this appeal too. But after sending an appeal, if this thing didn't work and Instagram just rejected that appeal too, then let's move towards the last solution, which is you have to go to Google and search here Instagram account hacked and hit the search button. And this article, which is from help.instagram.com, which says hacked Instagram account, you have to tap on it. And next you have to tap on this URL displaying on the screen. Here you have to type in your username, phone number or email address of the suspended account, and this will take you to a page which will also help you send a report. Just follow the on-screen instructions and wait for Instagram to respond you. But whatever you do, just keep in mind that Meta has implemented AI in their systems, and there are maximum chances that your account was suspended by AI. And there may be no one sitting on the other edge for reviewing your appeal. And many people are complaining Meta systems about this ridiculous AI update. By the way, these are the steps that you can take. I hope you good luck for your account. Thank you so much.